It's Mr. Wind. Your assignment for this week is to go back to to both the Yayoi Kusama analysis and the Felix Gonzalez Torres analysis and redo them. You only have to redo them if you earned a check or a minus. So to state that again, if you got a check or a minus, a V or a minus on your Felix Gonzalez Torres or Yayoi Kusama analysis, you need to redo it. When you get back from break, we're going to be moving deeper into analysis, and you're going to need to show me that you can do this basic thing with analysis. Because even if you earned a plus, technically you're at a minus in the standard. But that's just because we're just starting it. So if you don't even have a minus, that means that a plus, then that means you're below a 1 on this standard. So we need to all get caught up so that when I move forward, we can all move forward together. Now, I know that some of you have had struggles with how to use Google Forms in Google Classroom, so that's what this video is for. So I have gone into Google Classroom. I have clicked on the assignment that says Felix Gonzalez Torres analysis. I read the instructions that are right here. They say, watch the video, look at the rubric so you know what is expected of you, complete the attached form, and click submit. Click turn in on the assignment. I'm going to click on the video. It'll actually open up. This is Mr. Wind, and today it'll open up in your Google Classroom. If you want to, you can make it bigger. You can watch it on YouTube, but you can also just watch it here. The interesting thing about this video is that it tells you how to describe the artwork. Because we're just starting analysis. The whole purpose of 7 and 41 seconds. So I've asked you guys to analyze this artwork. I want you to notice the elements of art and principles of design that are in there. So I'm going to stop it there just to show you that around the 8-minute mark, it tells you how to analyze this artwork. Once I've watched this video, I'm going to find the rubric. The rubric is right here. If I click this button, I can actually read the rubric. So again, the rubric is here. If I click this button, expand, you'll be able to read it. I'm telling you, you need a plus. So let's read what the plus says. It says, student gets all the elements of art and principles of design correct. EOA is elements of art. POD is principles of design. Student gets all the EOA and POD correct. Student writes more than 2 sentences of description. When I'm asking you for description, I'm asking you to just describe the artwork. Don't tell me what you think the artwork means. Don't tell me if you think it looks good or bad. Just tell me what you see. You're just describing the artwork. So you're saying what you see. This could be multiple sentences. I see 2 clocks, period. I see 2 clocks that say 11 o'clock, 11:012. I don't know, period. Those are how you write sentences. So now we have watched the video, we've looked at the rubric, so now we're going to complete the attached form and click submit. Now mine up here is asking me for my email address, and that's because I had to ask for permission to use this form. If you click on the form and it says ask for permission, I will give you permission. Just click request permission. I check my email all day, so I'll be able to give you permission to do this form. So I need to put my email in here. I'm going to just use my Highland Schools account. It automatically put my name in for some reason. Put your name in here. And now you're going to start to analyze it. I've gotten a couple different answers here. I'm going to just tell you right now, they're all correct, but next week you're going to have to explain to me why you think it's correct. Because there's definitely thick lines in this. There's definitely little thin lines in this. There's definitely little short lines and long lines in this. It depends on how you see it. So I'm going to click thin. How would I describe the shapes? This one, there's only 2 right answers. So I'm going to click geometric because they're shapes that are precise, and these are obviously man-made, so I know they're geometric. How is contrast used in this image? Remember, contrast is the things that are being opposite in the picture. So with contrast, there's really only one right answer, and that's the dark and light colors. Now, down here is where you're going to put in your description. As I said, if you keep your cursor down here and you go back up here, you can actually kind of start typing, see, I see 2 clocks, period. The clocks say 2:16 and 49 seconds. The clocks are black and white. The clocks have numbers on them. I want you to see more than what I wrote here. There's a lot there. So I want you to be able to tell me everything you see. So once I'm done, as it said in the instructions, if we go back to these instructions, it says complete the attached form and click submit. So I'm hitting submit. That sends me that you've been done. So now I'm going to go over here, and since we're not adding anything to this, you're just going to click mark as done. I know it says turn in. You guys are dumb. You can figure this out. You know that mark is done is basically the same idea as turn it in. So once you do click mark as done, it'll tell me you're done. But I want to stay in the screen for a minute because a lot of you have also asked, how do I add artwork? Well, I have one video that tells you how, but also if you go in here and you click add or create, you can find a file in your computer and you can add it that way. You can save it into your save the file into your Google Drive and add it that way. So if I click File, I can go into my downloads and I can pick this picture, which is my Felix Gonzalez Torres one. I can hit Open and I can hit Upload. But you will do this on the drawing challenge, not on the analysis. If there's any more questions about how to do analysis, let me know. Remember, over spring break, I want you to go back in and redo any analysis that you did not get a plus on. I need us all to be caught up at this point. So if you did not get a plus on the analysis, please do this now. Hope you guys have a good spring break, and I will see you. Well, I will give you an assignment and be talking to you in about a week. Enjoy.